I'm in my 40s and I genuinely believe that my skin is in the best shape that it's ever been. Not just because I have decent genetics, I am half Italian, but because I have been really intentional about prevention. I've been doing both microcurrent and radio frequency at home for a while now, and those results have been real. But lately, I have been focused on two very specific things: jowls and sun damage on my chest. Both of these are easier to prevent than fix. Once the jowls have arrived, they are here to stay. Once the sun damage is here, it ain't going anywhere, unless you're doing expensive treatments and lasers at the med spa. So I would much rather do the work now that I'm in my 40s. Should have started in my 30s actually, but here we are. So I have been using these two INIA red light devices for 30 days, targeting exactly those concerns. And I want to show you what they are, how they work, and what I've noticed. INIA sent me two devices. The first one is the INIA Mask 4D Glow. It's a wireless LED face mask with 4 light modes and dual near technology, which I will explain because the near technology of this mask is what makes it different from any other one that I've tried. This next one is actually my favorite one. It's the INIA Glow Chest and Neck device. It wraps across the chest and the neck, and it covers way more surface area than I was expecting. It also has 2 modes, a firming mode and a brightening mode. Together, these two are basically a complete red light therapy system for your face and your body. Okay, let me start with the face mask and the jowl conversation because I have a feeling this will resonate with a lot of you. Jowls happen when your skin starts to lose elasticity and collagen and your skin starts to drop along your jawline. And the reason I'm proactive about this is because jowls run in my family. And I know that's exactly where my face is going if I don't do something about it now. The reason red light therapy is relevant here specifically is that collagen production is exactly what this mask targets. Red light at the right wavelength is what stimulates your skin to produce more collagen, which is what keeps your face firm and lifted. And if you keep that collagen production up as you age, you are essentially working against gravity, which is exactly what we want. So the first thing that I noticed is how flexible and soft this is. It's actually made from medical grade silicone. A lot of the LED masks on the market are hard and heavy and uncomfortable to wear. Not this one. I also have, as you can see, a very prominent Italian nose. So having the space here for the nose is really great because it doesn't press down or smush my nose, which can get uncomfortable. This is actually designed to conform to your face, and it covers all the way down the jaw and under the chin. And you know the jawline and chin coverage is exactly what I'm looking for because I'm trying to fight jowls. And you can see that it fits comfortably around my head. It's also 100% wireless, no cord at all. So you can put it on, walk around. I do it while I'm getting ready in the morning, so it adds 0 added time to my routine. Okay, so here's a little bit of the sciencey part, which might not interest some of you, but it definitely interested me because it's exactly why the 4D mask works so well. The Glow 4D has 4 targeted modes, and each one targets something very different and specific. The first mode is the red light mode with the dual near. This is the mode that penetrates the skin and stimulates that collagen production. And it also helps to maintain that firmness, which is exactly why I use it for jowl prevention. 630 nanometer red light combined with 850 nanometer near infrared is widely regarded as the golden anti-aging wavelength combination. And the added 940 nanometer near infrared penetrates even deeper into the subcutaneous layer to stimulate collagen production. The more collagen your skin produces, the firmer and more resilient it becomes. Over time, that means better lifting support and greater resistance to the effects of gravity. This is the one I use almost every single day. The second mode is the blue light mode with dual near. This is the mode to use if you have any issues with acne or any inflammation caused by breakouts. And it's been shown to reduce breakouts in just 2 weeks. I'm very blessed that I don't have many issues with breakouts, but when I do, I will pop the mask on the blue light mode, and within a day or two, it's completely gone. This is the mask on the blue light mode at 470 nanometers. It helps to target the bacteria that causes acne, and it helps with inflammation. Like I said, I don't use this mode every day, but when I need it, I am so glad that I have it. This is what the brightening mode looks like on the mask at 650 nanometers. It also works on hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, and post-acne marks. It's also a nice complement to doing the red light therapy in the morning by doing the amber routine at at night. The fourth mode combines both red and blue light together, or purple light. Here's something a lot of people don't realize. Acne isn't just about bacteria. It's also driven by inflammation, while red light and near-infrared light help calm inflammation and support your skin's natural healing process. So combining blue light with red light is actually more effective than using blue light alone. Now let's talk a little bit about the NIR technology. The mask has dual NIR on every single mode. NIR is near-infrared technology, which you can't actually see, but think of it like a program that your computer is running in the background. You can't see it, but it's essential to your computer running efficiently. Now for a little bit more science. There are two wavelengths of NIR technology. 850 nanometers, which helps to penetrate the skin to stimulate collagen, which seems to be the catchphrase of this video. It's also what makes the red light mode so powerful. The second mode is 940 nanometers, which is the wavelength that is primarily used in clinics. So what this means on a practical level is that whatever light mode you're using, whether it's the red, the blue, the amber, or the purple, that's what's working on the surface of the skin. The NIR technology is what penetrates into the deeper levels of the skin that standard LED cannot reach. And those two together are what separate these devices from any other devices on the market. And if you have melasma, you can actually turn the NIR off with a double tap. So you can still use the device without it affecting your pigmentation. There's one more feature of the mask that I want to talk about. The mask comes with these cooling under eye pads that you can click on the inside so you can do your red light therapy and your cryotherapy at the same time. I also wanted to mention that I initially threw these in the freezer, and when I put the mask on with these on, it was actually a little too intense for my skin and I had to remove them. So what I've been doing is I put these in the fridge, not the freezer, and they'll stay cold for the 10, 15, 20 minutes that you're doing your treatment, and you're getting that cooling under eye effect. The brief from INIA mentions that morning is actually the optimal time for red light therapy because UV levels are low and your skin is primed to receive the treatment. But morning is also when puffiness tends to be at its highest. So by combining the LED red light therapy with cooling and depuffing, it's honestly the perfect pairing. You get both in the same session. I do this before I put my skincare on in the morning and my face looks noticeably more sculpted and awake. After 30 days of using the Glow 4D, this is what I've noticed. My jawline does look pretty good, but the overall tone of my skin has visibly improved. I have an area on my cheek where I tend to get reactive and that has noticeably calmed. And there's a brightness to my skin that I didn't have before, and I'm using less makeup. The collagen work is cumulative. You're not going to see dramatic overnight results, but consistency is key. Consistent use over weeks, even months, is exactly how collagen stimulation works. You're building something. And for me in my 40s, I'd rather be building something than trying to repair or reverse. Now I want to talk about the neck and chest device because I specifically want to mention sun damage and aging. Because if you've spent any time in the sun without any SPF on your chest, like I'm sure a majority of us did in our 20s, you probably have some pigmentation and texture changes on your chest and your décolleté. This is the same medical grade silicone as the face mask, so it's soft, flexible, and really comfortable to wear. And as you can see, it's not just a small patch, it's covering most of my chest and my neck, so you're getting the treatment all over. The amber light on this device targets melanin, which is exactly how sun damage shows up on our skin. And the red light mode with the NIR technology helps with fine lines and cell turnover and repair. And I use them together to help combat the sun damage on my chest. The reason this one works where a lot of LED tools fall short is energy output. 300 high-density LED chips deliver clinical level power to the skin, which is enough to actually stimulate collagen and affect melanin. Most at-home devices don't even come close to that. This one does. And this device is not just for the neck and the chest. I've also used it on my hands, which actually don't have much visible sun damage, but prevention is key. Red light therapy benefits the whole body, and the best thing about this device is you can use it all over wherever you need it. The chest and neck device has two modes. The first is red light with 580 nanometers of NIR technology. This firms, smooths, stimulates collagen, and helps with texture and elasticity on the neck and the chest. The next setting is the amber light setting with dual NIR technology. This helps to brighten and treat sun damage. It also helps with blotchy skin, hyperpigmentation, and helps with melanin production. After 30 days of this treatment, here is what I've noticed. The texture on my neck and my chest has visibly improved, as you can see in the picture. Some of the sun damage that I had on my chest has faded, not completely, but I know if I continue treatment that it will. Also, my neck looks firmer, I have a wrinkle right here pretty much from tech neck. I think we all suffer from that, but that has visibly softened. And for me, that is a win. I really do believe that the combination of the amber light with the near technology is what made all the difference. I also love that you can wear it whenever and that it's super comfortable to wear. If you're interested in both of these, and honestly, I would recommend using them both together because they target different zones. INIA sells them as the Face and Neck Pro Kit, and it's a better value than buying them separately. The INIA 4D Glow Face Mask is for you if you're being proactive about jowls, jawline definition, and overall skin firmness. You want to maintain the skin you have now rather than trying to reverse the damage later. You're dealing with multiple concerns: aging, acne, hyperpigmentation, and you want one device for all of them. You want clinical grade technology at home. The dual near at 940 nanometers is genuinely what clinics use. You want a hands-free morning ritual that adds 0 extra time to your routine. I know I need that because I'm always running late. The INIA Glow Chest and Neck device is for you if you have sun damage, hyperpigmentation, or uneven skin texture on your chest or décolleté. You've been treating your face, but you've been ignoring all the skin that's below your chin, which will tell your age even faster than your face will. Trust me. You want a treatment that's passive that you can do while you're doing something else. You want something versatile, not just something that you can use on your chest, but on your legs, your back, your hands. You believe in treating your whole body, not just your face. Personally, I would get the bundle because I'm all about treating my entire body, not just my face, and it's the best value. One thing I do love about INIA is that they back up their devices with guarantees. It's FDA cleared, there's a 2-year warranty, and a 90-day return policy. As always, I hope you found this informative and helpful. I only bring things to this channel that I truly believe in and love and want to share with all of you. After 30 days of testing, these devices have shown that they really do work, and I cannot wait to see what my results will look like down the line. I will link everything in the description box below, including my discount code. If you have any questions about these devices, whether it's about which mode you should use or how to incorporate it into your existing routine, please let me know in the comments below. I do read every single one and try to respond to every single one. And if you could share this video with someone who might find it helpful, that's even better. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week with a brand new video.